Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A2x and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button and volume up button, all together just tap and hold. Keep holding. And once you feel the vibration and then see the logo, you can remove your fingers from button, give it a couple of seconds, and then you will be able to use your device in a normal way again. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.